Oh yeah, I used to live in the States, and one of the things that I noticed immediately is the love for sound effects. Like Filipinos, we love to use sound effects, right? Like for example, if you ever see a magician in the States, what do they say? They just say, "Ta-da!" Right? "Ta-da!" That's it, right? When you go to the Philippines, we don't just go "ta-da." We go like this. "Chin chin chin! Chin Right? Because we love sound effects. And that's the same sound that you can hear when you're in a race, right? And the guy behind you is about to overtake you. Chin chin chin! Chin chin chin! You're like, damn it, he's so much faster with that sound.